Electric cars are getting really popular. Some people even say they'll be everywhere by 2030. Imagine a world with only electric cars. It's a big idea, and it might not happen. But it's exciting to think about. Can electric cars really take over in just a few years? To figure this out, we need to look at what's ahead. There are exciting things, but also some problems. Let's take a closer look. One big challenge is having enough charging stations. Imagine running out of power far from home. Another problem is cost. Electric cars are still pricier than gas cars. Also, some people don't want to switch. They're worried about how far electric cars can go on one charge and how long it takes to recharge. Some people just like gas cars. These are real worries that need real answers. The good news is, things are getting better. Batteries are lasting longer and charging faster. Governments are helping make electric cars cheaper. Car companies are working hard to make them even better. Discounts and special offers are making electric cars more attractive. All these things are helping us move towards electric cars. Norway is a super cool example. They made it super easy to get electric cars, and now they have tons of them. Imagine almost everyone driving electric cars. New batteries are coming that will charge super fast and last a long time. There are also car sharing services, so you can use an electric car without owning one. It's like borrowing a friend's car. With all this, the future of electric cars looks super bright. So will electric cars be everywhere by 2030? Maybe. There are some challenges, but there's also a lot to be excited about. What do you think? Will you get an electric car soon?